Hi guys. So this is our first day of building 30 AI agent for the next 30 days. This is my personal challenge, but you can also take into it. You can find all the code on my GitHub and use this YouTube video as a reference. So we will be building production ready AI agents, which will reduce your workflow and reduce your time from hours to minute. So as mentioned, here you can see what you will be learning. These are the key learnings. You will be learning how AI architecture of AI agent works, then how to integrate LLM for your projects. Then you can see automation pipelines. It is the most difficult part, how where to use which thing, how to integrate, and how things flow. You will be learning here. Then how to deploy these AI agents so you can use it. For the deployment part, I have been using Streamlit. You can use any platform for the deployment. So before going into project, I would like to introduce myself, as this is the first video after such a long time. Here we go. My name is Omkar. uh, I am 2025 EC pass out from Savitribai Phule University with working experience over 1 year, 6 months, where I have worked 11 months in Philips as in the field of project management, you can say. Then I have worked for Telus. There I was a AI agent trainer. Then currently I am working at XBP Global. Here I am a data annotator. And also I have enrolled myself at XLR, which is a data science program, data science and machine learning program. So you can say I am good at building different machine learning models, algorithms, then training them to give more precise and more good output. Let's see the overview of our project. So this is the final look of our project which we'll be working on. You can, as title state, that Article2Audio means here you can pick any article, any blog, any web page, any sort of content, and it will be converting, our AI agent will be converting it into audio, for which we will be using a API key, which is 11 API key, and the model we are using here is Olema. What this 11 API key does, here as you can see, 11 lab API key. It is a AI voice generator and voice agent platform. It will take text as an input and convert the input text into an audio. So simply you will be passing some input as a text. It can be n number of text, and the agent will do some internal calculations and transform the text into a audio. Now we'll be talking about Olema. Here you can see Olema is an model. We can say Olema is an open source model which runs our LLM on our local PC without internet and without AI interrogation. Everything we run is local and your data is safe. So when we can use Olema in our project, when there is a high priority of data security, either cost, as we know, for using OpenAPI, then Gemini AI models, we need to do submit our card for billing to use it. So Olema don't require any card or billing. It is free of cost. And third, we can say, when we want to test or develop a secure AI application, Olema is always a good choice for developers. So here you can see, this is my VS Code terminal, in which I have created one env file, one gitignore file, one Python script, and a readme and a requirement txt. Here you can see, right? You can find the same thing on my GitHub, where I have kept everything neat and clean. You can directly download and copy in your local PC. So here you can see, I have used Streamlit as a deployment platform. Then here you can see API key. I have used a runtime input as API, as you can see here in our output. One minute. Here you can see, here directly in our website you can enter your 11 API key and directly get the result. Also we have saved our API key here, because always we run or we load that our platform, the API key will be vanished. So you can simply copy from here and directly paste. Don't worry, no need to copy this as it is already expired. Here you can see I have written some lines or code for our model, right? Then you can see I have used transformers. Then we are writing some UI part, which is enter blog URL or enter some article URL. Then some UI for button and right, that's it. So simply we'll be running our project now. So you can already see that uh, yeah, first we have to enter a Python environment, for which you can simply uh, prefer this. Here you can go there to enter a Python environment. If you are using a Mac, we can enter a Python environment using Python 3, and just simply copy this and in our terminal and get into Python environment. Then after that, if there are any updates for PIP, you will simply write this in your terminal and check if there are any few updates in PIP. Then it will run and update to the latest one. As you can see, for now there are no updates. Then simply you will be running your requirement text. Here all the things which we require for our Python script are mentioned. As one minute, I will just create one pen. Okay, here we go. So as you can see that we have used Streamlit here. So we have not imported here directly from our we have not manually written pip install stream. Directly we are using it on runtime. So by simply entering it, like we have a command here, pip install Streamlit. We'll just simply copy paste it, and it will install all the things at runtime. Then we'll be simply running our project using Streamlit run article.py. As you can see, I have run my project, and it has redirected to me at to a local host, which is this localhost 8501. Now we will be required to enter this 11 API key, for which we will be entering into 11 API key website here, right? You will have to do login and that all thing. As you can see, in developers there is an API key, and I have already created. If you want, we can create another one, dummy. Here we create another API key, and we'll be simply copying it. Okay, now we'll be entering the same API key into our localhost and simply press enter. Now we want to enter a URL, a article URL. So you can randomly choose any URL from a website, like who is the on any topic. So simply I'm using this daily dev. You can also use. So here let's enter LLM, right? We can choose any topic such as this looks good, right? Then simply we'll be clicking on read post, and it will redirect to an external website, right? Let's wait for some time. Oh, here we go. Throw bad request. Okay, okay, we can choose this also, lasso. One minute. Oh, it is same, right? It is same. I had already had opened it in another tab. I don't know why it is throwing a bad request in this one. So simply we can copy this and paste it in our web page, and simply enter and click on the button, generate podcast. Now it is doing some internal thing, and we will be getting our article converted into an audio. Let's wait for a few seconds. Yes, here we get our output. So, our agent has generated a podcast from our article.
Title: Revolutionizing Feature Selection with LLM Lasso, a new machine learning framework. In this week's episode, we delve into an exciting new development in the world of machine learning.
So, our AI agent has generated 1 minute 14 second of output. This is our summary, and we can simply download it. So, this was all about our first AI agent.